In this video, I'm going to introduce you to this new model which is called as Med42 70 billion parameter model. This Med42 is a clinical large language model developed, designed to provide high quality answers to medical questions and enhance clinical decision making. It demonstrates competitive performance across multiple medical benchmarks, outperforming several important and notable models in various tests. This model has been developed by M42, which is a global tech-enabled healthcare network and company based in Abu Dhabi, UAE. Med42 or M42 has unveiled an impactful advancement in healthcare technology with the launch of this new model, which is called as Med42. One of the great thing about this new model is that it is an open source model and it is in the category of clinical large language model or clinical LLM. It's a 70 billion parameter model, which is all set to transform the future of AI across the healthcare sector and create a direct impact on patient care outcomes. Med42 provides high quality answers to short and long form medical questions. The model has been developed to exponentially enhance clinical decision making and increase access to synthesized medical knowledge for healthcare professionals, patients, and medical researchers through regulators. Med42 was trained using M42's industry-leading curated dataset of medical knowledge. When tested on multiple healthcare relevant datasets or benchmarks, the model outperforms other closed models like ChatGPT 3.5 and has achieved a score of 72% in a zero-shot evaluation. And the dataset which was used was US medical license examination sample exam questions. Med42 was trained and fine-tuned with Cerebras in collaboration with Core42. Core42 is a G42 company focused on enabling the delivery of national scale AI and enterprise AI program. So I believe that this Med42 has the potential to revolutionize the pace of clinical decision making, acting as an AI assistant for healthcare professionals. And I see a huge future for this. Also, the full parameter fine-tuning of the largest Llama 2 model was successfully accomplished on Cerebras. So, having fine-tuned this Med42 on the same one has huge implications. So, I'm very excited about the future of this, and I think this model is going to really rock the boat of AI, and we will be seeing more and more innovation in this regard in very near future. I have already requested access to this repo on Hugging Face page, and as soon as I get the access, I'll be making a video as how to install this Met42 70 billion parameter model on your local system in Windows, Linux, or wherever it is possible. I hope that you like this quick introduction video. If you have any questions or if in somehow you're associated with this project, please put it in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.